Answer the call of adventure with our Sea Kayak Eco-Tour featuring the waterways of Ketchikan. From downtown Ketchikan, take a trip north to the popular Clover Pass Resort. Our guides will paddle along with you as you travel through the protected ocean waterways of Clover Pass. Breaking away from the hustle and bustle has never been so easy with our small group kayak tour that is both intimate and educational. Make sure to keep a lookout for the local flora and fauna around the calm waters, as this unique tour focuses on leaving a minimal impact on the environment. This relaxed kayak adventure will surely be a vacation highlight for you and your family.